Hi, it's Nico here and welcome to a new YouTube video. In today's video, I will do a quick walkthrough how to enrich domain names or company names and get URLs or websites from them. So yeah, this is going to be just a short video, but I have had some questions regarding this, how to do it. So I just wanted to record a quick video so you can learn to do this. So basically, typically when this happens is that you have a list that looks like this. So you might have scraped some directory or database with, for example, instant data scraper, but typically that includes some sort of custom scraping and you haven't been able to get the website or domain. So you have just a list of company names and then you want to first get company domains so you can enrich that further. And yeah, we will use Clay to enrich this. So I'm just going to download this. And then I already created a table for this video, but you will basically want to just create a table that has company name column. And then we will import this. So it looks like that. And then the next step is to use Clearbit's API to get the domain. So that's completely free to use in Clay. You just type Clearbit and find domain from company name. And then you just click continue to add fields, domain, and then you will run that. And it takes some time to run, but it's pretty fast. And yeah, here you can see how it works. So it generated websites or domains for most of the company names, I think. But yeah, as you can see, you still have some company names that it didn't find the website because Clearbit just doesn't have that data. So the next steps, what we will do is we will use a Legend and we will use 4.0 mini to do this. So yeah, web research Legend and then 4.0 mini. And this is the prompt. So I will link this prompt below so you can just copy and paste it. Uh, yeah, so basically, yeah, you can pause a video if you want to take a look at this, but I will leave a link to this prompt. But yeah, this is the prompt we will use to use Legend to get the domains of the company names that Clearbit didn't found. And then we will need to use a rule or condition because we don't want to run this for domains that Clearbit found. So the prompt will be something like this. Actually, let's do one more thing. So I will rename this as domain 1. And then I will do the prompt. So now this will run only for, rows that Clearbit didn't find the website. Then we will run this. And this will take some time when you run this through Claycent, especially if you have very, very big list with tens of thousands of rows. It will take some time. And then what we want to do is we want to add this as a column, and let's do domain 2. And yeah, again, like there are some rows where this won't work either, but you still get some more output doing this. And then we will do so yeah, then we will create a column that it will get the value from whichever these ones has the value. Actually, let's do one change here. So yeah, now I actually noticed that it will get the value even if the response is no result. So we want to avoid that. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Yeah, now it is working, and we can rename this as final domain, for example. And yeah, then if you want, you can, for example, duplicate this view and then rename it as export view, and then you could just hide all these, and then the final result is like a nice table with company name and then the domain. So again, there will be some company names where even with Claycent it won't find them, but this is pretty cheap to run. So yeah, it doesn't really cost much to run this even with very high volume. So it's typically max like 0.001 or something like this. So pretty cheap to do even at scale. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you want, I can later on create a video how to actually find the decision makers with these domains using just Clay, and just do like one big table that you need to just put a company name and it will give you the decision maker and their email. Yeah, just comment below if you want to see that. But yeah, this is how you can enrich company names to company domains pretty easily and fast. And yeah, I will leave a link to this prompt I used here, so you can easily copy and paste it. Hope this was helpful and have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching. Thanks.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.